I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Check app-level permissions and OS privacy settings so the system can capture your screen. Once done, quit any apps hogging the GPU or camera. These block capture APIs, so close them and restart the conferencing app. Next, make sure your connection is stable. Move to wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi if possible, because packet loss or low bandwidth often disables share features. If prompted, grant screen recording when the OS asks. That step re-enables capture. You now handle middle steps. Update GPU and webcam drivers, because outdated drivers break capture pipelines. Use the vendor updater or device manager and reboot. Then disable hardware acceleration in the browser or app. Hardware paths can conflict with screen capture, so toggle it off and relaunch to force a software capture path. Also inspect virtual displays, screen sharing policies, VPN, and multi-monitor layouts. Move the window to the primary monitor or disable virtual displays, since those configurations commonly finish by reinstalling the conferencing app or clearing its cache and sign back into your account. This resets corrupted settings that block sharing. Once done, test screen share in an alternative browser or a different app to isolate whether the issue is app-specific versus system-wide. If problems persist, create a new OS user profile or boot into safe mode to rule out extensions and background services. One key troubleshooting tip: if a permission prompt never appears, revoke and re-grant screen permissions in system settings, then reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.